All right, we're back. I believe this is better now, stable. So let's inform the guys on the group that we are live. So I was talking about this. I was talking about this before before the whole call ended and everything. So I'll just have to let me just clear this because this is quite messy. Okay, so I have this sweep. I have this sweep. I believe everyone can hear me. I have this sweep. I have this break to the upside. Then I have this second break of structure. Then I have this as my liquidity. And I want to buy from regions like this. Okay. And first target will be obviously here. Then second target right above here. So that's what I basically have in summary for this pair. So I was explaining that on the 15 minutes time frame, you see that. So I'm just waiting for guys to, I don't know if you guys are here with me. Please, if you can hear me, just tell me you can hear me. Okay, so I'm trying to inform them that we live again so that then to join. Okay, so we have that, and I was explaining that there was a zone that I was supposed to sell. That zone was supposed to sell, but that zone was supposed to buy, but it failed. So since it failed, there's always going to be a flip zone. So that was what I was trying to explain for the sell. So if you are on the sell now, you should probably be in profit because me, I'm currently selling. So I was explaining that there was a zone here that a lot of persons wanted to buy from. So that's like a supply zone, a demand zone, sorry. Okay, so that area for me is a flip area. So I'm in a sell. I entered because I saw that, okay, this is a mitigation block because price broke to the upside and failed to break. So since it failed to break to above, it needed to come back to the test the line, and that was it. That was why I entered the sell. So for me, I'm currently on the sell. I was not live, so I couldn't really call it for you guys to enter. But for me, I entered around somewhere here, though. Somewhere here. So this low, I'm obviously expecting this low to be taken out nicely. Okay, my stop loss. Since I'm since I'm stacking, I just stacked my trade so from the level. So amazing. I think this is better. This is very okay now. So please when you join, make sure you get what I'm doing. So that trade is already playing out, but I don't know if I can show you guys the trade running. So let me see. I'll just send it to your Telegram then. So okay. Okay, each position is currently at $2 running. So let's see. For me, if you hit that TP $50, $60, I'm out. Should be out. 50. They make all this network they affect. So we just $10. So guys, let me send the link again in here so that those of you that would love to join me inside the so that you can talk to me and know when to adjust stop losses and all that, you can join me and talk. Okay, so that's the first trade. That's the first trade, and I'm expecting a lot of push to the downside for this. So let's look at the next one. What do you think the next one? The next one is V10, and next pair following this is V10. And for V10, me, I have I said it that V10, nothing is currently happening in V10 because V10 is crazy. Nothing is currently happening like tangible, nothing tangible is happening. You understand? So this is the link. If you want to join in here, do well, join me. Join me, okay? Please, what pair do you want me to do? Let's do that. Let's do that so that I can engage you guys. What pair do you want me to do? Let's do that so that I can engage you guys instead of just running through pairs without communicating. So what pair do you want me to do so that let's do that so that we can be touching. Okay, Yakubu is here. Yakubu, I think you help us do some pairs, some analysis. I don't know if you are joining into your system. If you are joining into your system, it will be better so that you can do some analysis. Okay. Okay, someone said V31S, V31S and V75. Okay, V75 we did it yesterday. Okay, so V31S has left because I am probably always on my chat, so I know when price has left us. So what I'm expecting currently, price has already done this TP. This trade has gone to first TP. You understand? But this last TP is still here to eat. So what price currently? What price do? Now there are two things price will do. Two things price will do. Please, I believe you guys are following. There are two things price will do. So now I'll just have to, since I'm here, let me just delete that. So do this. So I have this. So now take note, a lot of persons wanted to buy from here. A lot of persons wanted to buy all the way from there. Okay, so this could react price to the downside to continue to the final TP, or rather price will just do this, come back, take here. This is a very valid money transfer from here all the way down here. So I'll consider this as my zone. Then I'll wait for either up or I'll just wait for price. So we can actually wait for this to happen. And if this happens to the downside, then we're good, we're good. So I have this V75. V75 as we did it yesterday, right? We did that one yesterday. So I believe, okay, so V10 one is still moving very well. So I believe everyone took this trade because I did it yesterday. So that was a valid A, valid B, and price smashed this first TP, your realistic TP, and price came back again. Where did it react from? These are liquidities. All these ones are liquidities. All those ones are liquidities. So price needed to come back into this area, right, and started selling again. So if you had missed that entry, this first entry, you probably have cut this or cut this, and this has left us. So V75 is out of our radar now because we cannot get entry currently. From what we're seeing, can't get entry currently. So we have to wait for price to come deep into somewhere here, and so it's out of it. It's out of it. So let's see. Let's see. Mr. Joel is here with me. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I'm excited that you're here. So V75 has left us. So the only trade we're currently on, if you enter though, is V101S. Okay, it's V101S. This one has left us. V31S has left us. So let's see V25. Okay, so V25 I'm actually expecting something, but I think it has left us from here. It has left us from this zone. It has left us already. So there's still a lot of space. There's still a lot of space, but cannot just blindly enter from here. So we just have to wait to see what price. If price will give us a continuation. So that's that. What other pair? What other pair? These Telegram people don't know they disturb me. What other pair, guys? So that we will. What other pair? Vision 5. Mr. Joe, I've talked about Vision 5 already. Okay, I've talked about Vision 5 and how that it has. From yesterday, we did it. So price is really pushing nicely. And this VGT one is that we did it also yesterday. It paid the wine me. Okay, so but where I told you guys to sell all the way from here, but that was it. That's sold for some time, and later failed, but came back to this level and is currently selling. But now we'll have to use confirmation for this. How to use confirmation for this. So let me look at the trend lines. That's okay. So now, let me look at what I need to see first before I can say, okay, we can sell this pair. So I want to see this break, then I'll see this and this. So that's what I would expect. Okay. So I don't want to rush into this sell. Okay, so we have to just wait patiently so that we get a proper reconstruction to the downside, then grab liquidity, then we'll push. Please, I believe you guys can hear me well because I'm not really shouting the way to shout. So the only trade currently running is V10 so let's check trades. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Not bad, not bad. Still not bad. So that's that. Also, guys, like I said yesterday, mentorship starts tomorrow. So you can still DM us to join, okay, to stay logged in. So I also talked about V100 yesterday. V100 has already left. V100 left us without, going into our set area. It just started selling all the way down. I think I would have probably, if I was active with you guys, I would have probably called it sell from around here, somewhere here. See a clean mitigation block around that area, and that was a drop. So would have probably, since we missed that up one, would have probably cut this, but price has left, and price is currently reacting from this block right there. So I don't know if we can see more sales. But I don't like doing this. I don't like doing this. It's not how which we're here. I would have just called it here. But no, it's not making sense again to me. So that one has gone. So let's just accept it has gone. So let's see. Let me see if I'll see. Okay, let's check this on 5 those of you on the VIP know that I dropped a buy on a short buy this morning, which is currently in profit from here. Okay, which is currently in profit. So let's see. Let me look for where sales can possibly happen. This pair has really moved a lot. So let me look at 15 minutes time frame. This pair has really moved a lot. We're sure that it is bearish, but we cannot just carry our go and start because we know it's clearly bearish and we'll not just come and be selling from everywhere now. So I want all these ones there to be taken out, all these things to be taken out. I want all those things to be taken out. So it's not really, there's nothing really here. And guys, to the V50 that I showed you guys yesterday, really did well and still doing well. In fact, still on the chart, still on the trade. Close one account though, but allow this one to be running. So allow that one to be running. So still expecting more push. Please don't mind all this line. Let me even take them out here. Okay, I don't think I can take nice out from there. But this is still running very well, and I'm holding to this final TP for the other account because you cannot be giving the market money anyhow. So this is the theory of holding, Abi? Yes. No, this is the 2. No. Entered when? Yeah, this is the theory of holding. Actually, the theory of holding. So, guys, those of you that missed V10 price is at our entry again. Price is at our entry again. So, I cannot see your screen, boss. How now? Ikechukwu, you have not added your mic. Add your mic. My screen is showing now. Please, is anyone having that same issue? You can't see my screen. Those of you on YouTube, you can't see my screen. Those of you on YouTube, you can't see my screen. If you can't see my screen, just inform me that you can't see my screen. So just to show you guys, it's still moving. That one is still moving. Okay, the screen is showing. I can see it. Okay, amazing. Okay, so just to show you guys, this one, those trades, this the other account is still moving for the V50. I'm not touching it. So while we're looking to V10, is it sell or buy? It's sell, sell, it's sell. I think I should go back there. I should go back there too, so that we can. This is what I'm over like. This is what I'm expecting overall. Like expecting this to be taken out, then I will expect a push from here. So what I'm just basically doing, this is very risky too, because trying to just catch a short sell to buy. You understand? You know the thing, you know the vibe. So why I'm selling from that place, because this was a zone that failed and price needed to use it again to reclaim and all that. So that was why. So now let's see the 5 minutes where it is. So the stop loss, okay. So this this was what I saw that made me say, okay, let's just take the sell. And price pushed, came in and pushed. So the stop loss is just above here, 5 minutes time frame above this eye. So know what you're risking, know what you're getting. Okay, for me, 1 to 5 total is okay for me on this. Okay, amazing, thank you. Visible. So price came back to that re-entry, to that entry again. So price might just drop or hit ISL. Any of them were good. Cool. Any of them were cool. So let me see. Let me see. Somebody say can't see your screen. Ikechukwu, I think it's from your end though. It's from your end. So try and fix from your end. It's from your end. It's not from my end. It's not from my end at all. From my end. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see V101S. Even this one too. Why is it that sometimes when I come up here, many trees have gone before I come up here. So someone has left from that zone already. Hmm. 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 Looking juicy. But let me check on my I want to buy from here. Oh really? Let me check trend line. No, no, can't do that. Can't do that. I think I'll check almost all the V spare. I think I've checked almost all the V spare. So let's see. Let's see. Which other pair I've not checked? V25 one. I think this one too. This one. So I don't even know. But let's try and maximize this one has left because yeah, EDTP here. So still coming back here and to drop. So that one has left. But let's make sure we maximize anything, any uh, any signal dropped live here because any signal dropped here for me, I'm still entering again save with another $10 again on this V10 minus because it came back to my entry again, so I need to stay stack more. So V30 has left, V30 has left. Somebody's asking what of V30. V30 has left. I'm not even, like I said, unless we are using this, I think what I said, okay, price just came into that entry. Price just came into that place. My God. Thank you for calling our attention to this. So I swear I would have missed this. I love the way price is dressed. So let's wait for let's see the way this candle will close. Let's see the way this candle, if this candle just close with this long wick, forget, it's going to go down. So let's see. We'll observe. Either wait for candlestick confirmation or we just, observe. So I can see a resistance zone, resistance level here. Somebody is messaging me. Telegram. So let's just wait for this red candle to show. Once that red candle appears and closes, then we can, those of you on V10 1S, Alpha, open a day, all right. You guys are making, because there's a way you see your account, you see your this thing, you see your balance on your trading, your MT5. You just smile first. So let's see how this one goes. So like I said, let's wait for the green and red candle to appear. See, if you want mentorship, you want to join this December batch mentorship, we're doing a 50% slash, which that 50% slash you will just be paying $75. My brother. So my brother and sister, no miss more. Next year, like I said, it will not be as usual. So those of you that maybe let me show you guys what that V10 and V50 is currently doing. This now where price is at currently, as it don't pass here. I don't just I just showed this. I think this one was yesterday. I screenshotted this one, so I just show you guys. But this 10 to 441, 10 to 441 live. It's not demo live. Like the other account that you guys saw yesterday, that one was another one. So you guys know from what? Just $10. So you want to learn these things. I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't know what you're waiting for. Price came into the resistance level. Nice. I love that. So let's just wait. Let's wait. This one will be another trade that will give us nice this thing. My God. Let's just wait. It's paining me now that it's only one my other account now I'm currently using to trade that V50 sell. So let's just wait and what are we do? I think I'll still use this account to take this trader. I'm looking at it. So guys, let's just wait. Let's still wait. Once this candle closes, we are good. Stop loss just above this eye, please. Stop loss just above this eye. I think it's even up to there, so somewhere there. Stop loss above the eye, so we're good. So once the red candle closes, V30 sell. Once the red candle closes, V100, we said that V100 left us now. So V100 has left us. Let me check. V100 has left us. I think V100 has left us. Let me confirm my network. My network. 8:30 said, please, you guys should not miss it too. I think we have 1 minute to go on that one. You guys should not miss that one. Um, so I think these are the two. We'll just take live here and see how it goes. These are the two. We'll just take live here. 300. No, no, no. Yeah, he has left us. He has left us. So the two that we're currently looking at is the V10 1S and V31S. So I think V31S candle will soon close. Uh, as my network. There's my network is whining me. My network is whining me. But see, what you're risking, risk what you can lose. Oh, don't go and say error is good. So okay. So I love the break of structure that it gave me. So let's see. One, yeah, how many positions should I open here? 4, 6. So guys, like I said, apply proper risk management. Someone on YouTube commented, what about crash one? No, I know. Let's just this two is okay for now. So let's just maximize these two. We don't need a lot. We don't need a lot of many analysis. Just these two. So V10 1S is already. If you entered, know that is moving. Is in profit. Okay, it's in profit. So let's just hope that V31S does not take our SL. Let's just hope that it doesn't take our SL. The one thing why I like trading one setup on each account is because sometimes if I know that okay, I'm going on in on this account, I'll just know that okay, this account is for V31S, this account is for V10 1S, so that I'll know. Just come and check and that's it. Stuff like that makes sense. But this one now, so my accounts, some of them are running already with trades. So V31S, so 31S want to minus. But if 31S does not take us to our destination, definitely V10 1S will. So and the way my network is just looking anyhow, safe, even myself, I don't even understand. So, oh, please, how is it going? Me sef, I never even check my own. So now una go tell me how they go. How is it going? I'm trying to stabilize network. Many things, bro. How is it going? Me, I never even check my account. So how is it going? Let me know. Comment section, please. Let me see from the comment. Oh, please, you guys can hear me. Mr. Joey, I think you have something to share for us now in any pair. I think you have BTC now, so you can share your screen now so that um, give give us one or two updates.
Boss, I no dey with my system. Na phone I dey with for where I dey, and I no dey house.
my G's. Yes, SL it on V30, but still valid. So I don't know what you use. I don't know what you want to use that information for. But SL it on V30 was still valid. So I don't know what you do with that information. I not say do anything. No. You know what to do with it. So yeah, V30 doing well, and V1 V101S doing well, and V30 still coming up. So let's see. Let's trust. Mr. Joel, are you with us? So well, that V30 is still valid. I don't know at all. If you look, you just see that he took us out slightly and to still drop. That's what I'm saying, that it's still valid. So you know what to do with that information. Sergio, you have something to say for us. Abi, you are not with your system. Amazing, amazing. So V10 1S is in profit, still live. Oh, you are not on your system, no problem, no problem. So you see, somebody say V10 1S is still live, so amazing. Um, I see trading with a lot of people is really something that when they just say they run am go until you run am. So V10 is doing well. I think I should show you guys my screenshot so that you guys will see. And I think I will just do like 100, 10 to 100, then I think I'll just close. 10 to 100 is okay. No, 20, because I added another 10 to that first 10 balance. So if everything goes well, it goes to the direction that we expecting. If V30 can see drop below, because I added some position at that top. So if V30 can see drop deep down, or more, I should eat like either 150, 200. If you can drop very, very fast to, because me, I not get strength to, it can drop very fast. So let me use this other phone to find this picture. Stop loss. There's no stop loss now. For V10 is that's the liquidity. Those of you on the group, you see that Madam just dropped that V10 1S. That place that we are targeting is liquidity. So she's expecting that price is going to drop. So you now see that what we're doing is so Ikechukwu, there's no if you are here, there's no stop loss. Break even. You guys can break even on V10 1S. You guys can break even. Where's my point? Let me try and see if I can screenshot from my own phone from this because this other phone is not. Hmm. Okay, V30. Like I said, it's still active, so I don't know what you did with that information. But for me, why it took that stop loss out, I added more position at the top. So I'm pushing. So let me screenshot and send to you guys what's currently happening. What's on my end, what I have. What I have on my end. I have. So those of you on Telegram, just watch out for your notification so that you see what I'm doing. Everything we did it here, oh, it's not like no be magic. Not like I went to somewhere and no, we did it here. So like I said, it was just 10, and because of that V30, I added another 10 so that it can stabilize the account. You understand? I said you can break even on V10 because V10 1S has dropped to a certain level. So we can break even. If you entered at that point that I called it to, you can break even. So, like I said, maybe you can break even on this. Like I said, V30, I don't say do anything with that information. You know what to do with the information. I just said that it's still active. But for me, there's a certain level it will reach. I'll just maybe close my eyes and I'm probably done. So let's see. Which kind push with this one? I hate seeing some kind of pushing. See the way V31 is just whine me now. So let's just see, sha. I'm still on it. That one, V10 is still going well. So you guys can break even on that one. Those of you that want to enter V30, shall be careful. That's all I can say. I'm gonna enter. So those of you on YouTube, let me show you guys what I did. YouTube. So let me see. Okay, so this is it. Don't do this. So don't do this thing I'm doing. Don't do it. So look, it was just 10 because I was just trading only this V10, honest. So the other account is currently running with that V50. So I don't want to close that one and allow this one. So I just added another 10 years so that we can accommodate this V30. So that's what we have. So this was the first 10, and that was how it was moving at first. So let's see, Sha. I hope I hope V30 don't whine me. If V30 whine me, just hope so, Sha. So, guys, I want to take questions now. Questions. Those of you in there, do you have any question? Do you have any question for me? If I'm on the tree, I even like looking at what's happening. I'll come back straight to the happen. So, do you have any question? Do you have any question? Did you understand what we just did? So many. I know you have a lot of questions. You want to question a lot of things, but then again. So let me see. Let me show you guys the V50. Let me just do a breakdown of why I took this trade. I think uh, sometimes when I'm clearing my chart after a long back test, it go just dey pay me like man no just clean up, make it just dey show. But I have to clean it so that I'll show you guys what I did. But just chill. Let's just still observe our trades. What's the SL for? SL, the SL is on the chart. Just look at the chart now. Oh no, my brothers, beg. It's on the chart. The SL. Okay, you want me to call a value for you? The SL, let me call the value. The SL is around, the first SL E2. So that SL was around 681 area. That's what the first SL was. V30, oh, no why me, no why me. After I don IP finish, you won't why me. E be like the way some of una come go rush that V30, una wan take my una wan take my una wan make dem eat my SL abi. I'm still on it though, I'm still on it, but I'm not saying you should go and enter o. Now I dey observe, dey calculate. Oh, how which he gave me a break construction, I would have confirmed the sell massively. I don't know, the trade no one just give me do close because I don't know, I just have this feeling that yes, it's a feeling, no, it's not analysis. It's not analysis, it's a feeling. I just have the feeling. So let me take questions. Let me take questions on anything. So guys, questions. Do you have any question? Someone messaged me on Telegram. I'll please, if you're here, I will reply you and just that you know I'm busy with this. Or let me just go to your chat. So while I'm waiting for questions here, in case you guys see that profit and be like, oh man, see price has retraced, so price don't retrace. I'm even back to my balance. So that's what stacking will do to you. ah, okay. So let me see. But if no question, I'll just end this live and and go and cry for the loss. If this if the V30 fail me, oh, but if V30 do well and my V10 continue the way it's going, say when do you use candlestick confirmation and market structure shift? Okay, now there are some. Okay, now let's say I see my trade, my kind of setup that I'm looking for. There is a way price will be at a resistance level. I will not even use confirmation. I will just enter. There's a way market will be in a particular supply zone. I will have to wait for a sheet first because I know that probably this can, you understand? So it depends on where the price is at, like where the price, where I met the price, and depending on the POI that I'm looking at. So that's a very wonderful question. V30 or V30. V30 is not giving that confirmation. If you are giving me that confirmation, it would have still be valid. But no, 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 it didn't give that. It didn't give me that confirmation. If you are giving me the confirmation, it would have been still valid. But since it did not break that structure to the opposite direction, I just know that no, 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 it's not going to be valid again. So I'm waiting. Any other question? Yeah, if there's none, then I have to call it a day. I will not be doing all this life again. I just all this many life that I'm doing now because there'll be no time for that. I'll just focus on my students and the team. I can see a re-entry on V10 honest. Are you serious? I bet tell us. This is what I love to do. This V30 one is okay. Well, the trade one, the pair one me. So somebody said you can see re-entry on V10 honest. I don't know. So let me go there. maybe I'll do another video for this breakdown of V50 sell that I took. So I don't know if I have the time. Because guy, doing videos can be very stressful. So let me see. Somebody said the same re-entry. Some of you, if you're wise, you just this would have been an exit point for some of you first. Your first TP, close some position, then last one to run. So, well, someone is saying the same seeing re-entry. I think because this liquidity have been taken on, so that person is expecting a drop from here. So I get what you're saying, but then again, let's just see. I don't know if that's what you see. No, everybody idea different. TP for which one? Please, Ikechukwu, TP for which one? TP is at that low, the next low for VT1 is the low. Is the low. VT1 STP, the next low now. That VT1 is just when you need somebody. That's the next low around 670 670. So nobody's asking any other question that I can answer. There's none. I have to call it a deal. At least from edges to edges, you're my banner. Don't worry, maybe when there's a very major, a kind of major move, this major move for the buy, this return buy, when the buy starts, I'll come up live and call it. Say, please, I want to see your setup of it. Okay. It's a short setup. Oh. It's not like it's done. Why is it back to the entry again? So it's a short setup. But like the overall, the buy is something like this. The buy is see this is buy. So what I'm saying is when this buy wants to happen, I'll try my best. I'll try my best and come live and call this buy because it's going to be a very massive buy. Like that, it's going to be a very massive buy. So I'll call this buy to this point if I'm free. So that's what I'm saying. So guys, thank you for joining. I hope, I don't know, if you don't make money, if you make money, we move. See you on the next one. Mentorship starts tomorrow. If you still want to join, DM me. You're free. DM me. I will guide you. Okay. So just DM me. And also, I can tell, DM me. Even though if you don't have the complete $75, you can still DM me. We'll talk. God bless you.